Amazingly simple recipes for boosting immunity fast. Have you ever wondered if there's an easy way to boost your immunity without fancy supplements or complex routines? Could a few simple recipes be the secret to staying healthy and resilient? Especially when life throws curveballs. Amazingly, some of the most powerful immune-boosting ingredients are probably already in your kitchen, just waiting to work their magic. They are ready to be the quick, effective immune support you've been looking for. So without any delay, let's explore and see how easy it can be to strengthen your body's defenses. The immune system is a complex system that uses various nutrients to maintain health and combat foreign invaders. So, how do we support our immune system with what's on our menu? Diet-wise, the best thing you can do for a strong immune system is to focus on whole foods, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein. Fruits and vegetables are filled with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support the body's immune soldiers so they can quickly spring into action to fight off foreign invaders, while protein helps build infection-fighting antibodies. At number 1, we have turmeric coconut milk. This golden-colored drink is inspired by Haldi Doodh, a popular Indian turmeric milk drink. This drink has significant antioxidant qualities from turmeric, which can help protect cells and prevent inflammation. How to prepare it? First of all, make the turmeric paste. In a small saucepan over medium heat, combine 1/4 cup turmeric powder with 1 cup water. Stir and cook the mixture for 2 to 3 minutes, or until it thickens into a dry paste. Remove the saucepan from the heat, then add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. The oil helps make turmeric's active compounds more bioavailable, and black pepper enhances absorption. Set the paste aside to cool, then transfer it to an airtight container and store it in the refrigerator for up to a week. This turmeric paste can be used in various recipes or for future lattes. Then prepare the latte. In a medium saucepan, combine coconut milk, a cinnamon stick, fresh ginger slices, honey, if you prefer a sweeter taste, and 1 tablespoon of your prepared turmeric paste. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer over medium heat, allowing it to warm and for the flavors to steep together about 5 minutes. Once done, remove from heat and strain the mixture to remove the cinnamon stick and ginger. Pour the creamy golden latte into a mug and serve it warm. At number 2, we have simple berry and yogurt parfait. Make this healthful and tasty snack in minutes. You may already have the ingredients on hand. Plain yogurt provides a tartness that complements the natural sweetness of fresh or frozen berries. Vanilla yogurt is an acceptable substitute, but bear in mind that it may include additional sugar, according to the U.S. Department of Agriculture. Because it is dangerous in excess, the American Heart Association recommends limiting daily added sugar intake to 25 grams for women and 36 grams for men. How to prepare it? The recipe involves using plain Greek yogurt, berries, and optional granola. To serve, place yogurt in a bowl, top with berries and granola, and serve. Disclaimer: the recipes and tips shared in this video are meant to support general wellness and are not a substitute for professional medical advice. Please consult your healthcare provider before making any major dietary changes, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications. Individual results may vary. At number 3, we have zucchini string bean soup. Dr. Mindy Peltz's mother made a soup called Beeler's broth for her when she was sick. This chef-created version is both delicious and healthy and can be frozen in single-serve portions for easy access. How to prepare it? Place the equal amounts of green beans, zucchini, celery, onion, garlic, and a pinch of salt in a large pot with enough water or broth to cover the vegetables. Bring the mixture to a boil over high heat, then reduce the heat to a simmer. Simmer the vegetables until they're soft enough to pierce easily with a fork, allowing their flavors to blend as they cook. Once the vegetables are tender, remove the pot from heat. Stir in the fresh parsley and spinach leaves. Carefully transfer the soup to a high-powered blender. Blend until smooth for a creamy texture and vibrant green color. Pour the blended soup back into the pot and stir well. It's now ready to serve warm. Store any leftovers in an airtight container. The soup keeps well in the refrigerator for up to 5 days or can be frozen for up to 1 month. This soup is a simple yet nutritious meal, perfect for a light lunch or dinner, and a great way to enjoy a variety of fresh vegetables in one bowl. Next, we have number 4, strawberry green tea smoothie. Green tea and strawberries are rich in polyphenols. antioxidants that aid in disease fights, activating immune system pathways against foreign invaders. Additionally, they contain vitamin C, an antioxidant that helps fight free radicals. How to make it? This recipe is a refreshing smoothie that combines the health benefits of green tea, strawberries, and mint. To make it, steep a green tea bag in hot water for 2 minutes. Then freeze it until solid. Blend halved fresh strawberries, low-fat milk, lime juice, honey, and mint leaves in a blender for natural sweetness, vitamin C, creaminess, and tanginess. Add the green tea ice cubes to the blender and blend until smooth, creating a creamy chilled smoothie with a subtle hint of green tea. Garnish with a sliced strawberry for a pop of color. Moving on to number 5, we have beef, barley, and many vegetable soup. Beef is one of the best foods for getting zinc, a mineral that helps your body in many ways, like building protein and healing wounds. Zinc also supports your immune system. In this soup, the vegetables add vitamins A and C, which are antioxidants that help protect your cells from damage. So, together, the beef and veggies make this a nutritious and immune-boosting meal. And here's the recipe. This recipe for a hearty soup is a great way to satisfy your hunger. To prepare it, first season your meat with 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and pepper. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large soup pot over medium-high heat. Add the seasoned meat and cook, stirring occasionally until it is brown, which takes about 5 minutes. Once browned, transfer the meat to a plate. Then add the remaining 1 tablespoon of olive oil to the pot. Add chopped onions and mushrooms, cooking for about 4 minutes until they soften. Next, add carrots, celery, chard stems, if using, and garlic. Season with the remaining salt and pepper and cook for another 2 minutes. Simmer the soup in broth, 2 cups of water, diced tomatoes, and barley. Then return the meat and juices to the pot. Bring it to a boil, reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it simmer for about an hour until the barley is cooked and the meat tender. Finally, stir in chard leaves or spinach and dill, cooking for 2 more minutes. Store leftovers in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 4 days or freeze for up to 3 months. This soup is an excellent source of essential minerals, vitamins, and protein, making it a flavorful and nutrient-dense meal. And lastly, at number 6, we have Heal Your Body Smoothie. This smoothie is designed to deliver a powerful combination of nutrients to support recovery, hydration, and stress relief. The electrolytes in coconut water boost the hydration benefits in this smoothie. Ashwagandha and cordyceps mushrooms help the body recover from stress. Plus, the flavorful ingredients, apple, banana, pineapple, not only add a refreshing, naturally sweet flavor, but also pack a range of vitamins, including vitamin C and B6. These fruits are rich in antioxidants, which combat oxidative stress and help the body heal from wear and tear. Now let's prepare it. Start with a medium apple, such as Gala or Fuji, a banana, and half an avocado. These fruits add natural sweetness, creaminess, and fiber to the smoothie. Add 3 cups of fresh spinach for a leafy green boost rich in vitamins and minerals. Add 2.5 cups of coconut water for hydration and electrolytes. Then, for a refreshing tropical taste, add 2 cups of frozen pineapple and 1 cup of frozen mango. These also help thicken the smoothie and add natural sweetness, plus a good dose of vitamins C and A. Then add a 2-inch piece of fresh ginger for a spicy, warming flavor and an anti-inflammatory boost, along with a 2-inch piece of fresh turmeric for additional anti-inflammatory benefits. Add 2 tablespoons each of chia seeds, maca powder, ashwagandha powder, and cordyceps mushroom powder for extra nutrients. Then squeeze in the juice of half a lemon for brightness and vitamin C. Add a pinch of sea salt and a pinch of cayenne pepper for a subtle spicy kick. Combine all ingredients in a high-speed blender, blending until the smoothie is creamy and smooth. The immunity-boosting smoothie is ready and is perfect as a nourishing breakfast or a post-workout replenisher. And there we have it, amazingly simple, delicious recipes that can help boost your immunity in no time. Each of these recipes is packed with nutrients, antioxidants, and powerful ingredients designed to strengthen your body's defenses and keep you feeling your best. Whether you're blending up a smoothie, brewing a warming tea, or cooking a nourishing soup, these quick and easy options can make a big difference in supporting your immune health. Try them out, share with friends and family, and keep these recipes handy as part of your wellness routine. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more tips like this, Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out. Thanks for watching.